Good morning, doctor. My name is Thineswaran. My metric card number EE2123. So today we do simulation by using MATLAB to R2021. So for the part 1 about varying parameters and the effect of torque and speed. So here the parameters. So we only use pole voltage and then 50 hertz. So right now for the preset already 480 square root of 3 and then pole 2 and then frequency 50. So let us run and then see the result at Simulink. So here's the result for the previous setup in coding and then torque induced. Since we're using a 2-pole and the frequency, the speed will be much. So this is because when number of R, which means here we're using a 0.18 ohm, so that when RR, which means rotus reactant, rotus resistor, if increase, automatically torque maximum independently increase. So it's there is no related to torque max, which is pull out torque. Also, there is a small increases in torque full load. So that's all. So let us see part 2. Okay, once again, good morning, doctor. So today we're going to talk about part 2 about investigate effect of varying voltage and frequency towards performance of torque speed curve. So yeah, here's the coding for part 2 and then using a GUI model for analysis torque speed curve and then here the GUI model. So here we're going to set up 350 based on my metric number and then frequency also 50 and then the pole kept the same. So let us solve. So here the result for first set. Let us see second set. If we set 350 square root of 3, let's see what's happened. The frequency 50 and then the pole is still the same. Okay, here's the result. So let us compare first figure and then third figure. Sorry, second figure and third figure. So I would like to compare both curve. So the similarity is synchronous speed. Both are having a same synchronous speed because the pole and then the frequency are same. So there is a 4 stage in a curve we can identify. It's a no load and then full load, pull out torque and then starting torque. So yeah, for the figure 2, the voltage 350 and then the figure 3, 220, so 202.0726. So here they will vary that different voltage. If the voltage is smaller, so that number of slip will be small and then its influence to rotor circuit because all in a one part. So here the clear example, because the torque start to induce once the motor attached load, so automatically torque will be induced. And then as we all know, rotor speed going left to right while slip left to right. So consider at this part, both part, consider the slip get increase while the speed slowly decrease. And then here the torque max, which is pull out torque, also can find the difference. Okay, this is because from the beginning, once the motor start attached load is produce torque induce. And then if we want to measure the torque pull out torque, so we must have the double up the slip. So here the result of double up the slip both. Also for pull out torque also influenced by RF, which is R2 over 1, sorry, R2 1 minus slip over slip, because it can change the position of the curve. So yeah, once reach the pull out torque both, automatically it reduce. If you notice, it reduce. Okay, because why it reduce? Because once every motor has a specific or unique stage to achieve the pull out torque. So once number of speed and then while the slip increase, it can be maintained until capability of the motor. So here automatically going down. Okay, because power factor was influenced. And then here also the same, power factor was influenced. So there is a reason the graph shows like drop and then point out to starting torque. Okay, now starting torque. Okay, both are having a different starting torque number of starting. So it's start from 37.5 and then 22.2265 and then here 65.76. Okay, what's the difference means? So for the figure 2 having a large torque speed compared to figure 3, so here the reason or here the explanation about this motor need high torque starting or already have starting torque greater than motor B lah, yeah, B. If we're talking about efficiency, yes, this motor will be win by the efficiency, whereas this motor having greater starting torque, so it will be benefit of starting torque. So if the electrical power connect, automatically it can carry large power, I mean large load. So that's all from now. Thank you.